처음 만난 여자하고 술도 마셔볼 거야. 오늘 동성로에서 만나.
When people think of Daegu, three things usually come to mind: Daefrica, beautiful woman, and Gotham City. Yeah, Gotham City. So today, I want to talk about how Daegu became Korea's Gotham City, whether it actually deserved that reputation, and more importantly, why the hell can it become a city of paradise instead? First, Daegu has some serious history. 4 Korean presidents have strong ties to this region. BTS Sugar, he grew up basically next to my house. Literally my dad's friend's son. I'm not kidding. And about 40 years ago, Daegu was one of Korea's 3 biggest cities. Back then, when the textile industry was booming, Daegu was killing it. Killing it. The city has money, and it had industry. It has status, but now, for literally 30 years, Daegu has been sitting near the bottom among Korean major cities when it comes to GRDP per capita, like 도시총생산. 30 years. How does that even happen? Seriously, make it make sense. Now, here's the weird point. Daegu is actually a damn good city to live in. I'm serious. Take away 2 things. The insect someone had like hit as hell, and the lack of job. Get away. And this place is low-key top tier. The cost of living is reasonable. House is cheap compared to Seoul and another big city. Traffic, not that bad at all. And the size of the city just right. There's the old theme like 모자, 소국 과민. 적당한 사이즈에 적당한 인구. Like basically, you don't need everything to like be massive. Sometimes the sweet spot is just enough people, just enough space, just enough city. And Daegu is kinda has that. The cityscape is good. The landscaping is good. The boulevard roads, honestly top tier among Korean metropolitan cities. And then there is the nightlife. Bro, Daegu knows how to have fun. Look at 버머 intersection, 버머 사거리, 버머 내거리, 달구불대로, 동대구로. These huge boulevards basically cut through some of the city's like best commercial districts. 동대구역, 버머 내거리, 드랑길, 수성못 is all connected. Restaurant like fine dining, cafes, bars, department store, hotels, like luxury shops, like luxury cars brand, Mercedes, BMW, Porsche. Like it actually kinda crazy. The food here is insane. Cafe culture is insane. Bars are everywhere as well. People here know how to eat, drink, hang out, and spend money. And that's exactly why Daegu is such a weird city. It's fun to live here, but economically, the city is struggling. There's no job, like seriously. Where are the big companies? There's basically no major corporation headquarters here. You've got a few strong, like mid-sized companies, 강소기업, several public institutions, 공기업, Daegu Bank, and that's kinda it. If you're young, ambitious, high educated, like 경북대학교, and you know, like you want a serious corporation career, like high-fat career, what do you do? What do you do in Daegu? You live, usually go to Seoul. In 2024, Daegu GRDP, 도시총생산, was about 74 trillion won. Service account for nearly 72% of a city economy. But its GRDP per capita has remained near the bottom among Korean major cities for decades. In 2025, Daegu's unemployment rate was around 4.9%, higher than the national average. 그냥 실업률. You see the problem? We are cooked. We are fucked. At least under the certain current model. And then people say, well, the major should work harder. Like 시장님, bring in some national project, attract some big corporations, build some factories. Okay, sure. But think about it for a second. If you were the president, a CEO, or the factory owner, why would you choose Daegu as fuck? Seriously, why? What the hell, why? If they're build a factory, you've got a Gumi, Pohang, and the Busan, and it has a port. You've got industrial cities all over the Korea. Why would you skip all of them and come here, Daegu? I'm not saying attracting companies is bad. Obviously, we need good companies. I'm saying just attract companies. Isn't a strategy? Even city in Korea is trying to do exactly the same thing. So, maybe Daegu needs to stop playing the same game. We have a card. Because Daegu already has something special. Customer culture. It's rare. Daegu is basically a consumption hub for the surrounding Gyeongbuk region, like Gyeongsangbuk-do. People come from Gumi, Pohang, Gyeongsan, all over the place around the Daegu. And some of those Gumi and Pohang big bros, those guys got money and come here to shop. They come here to eat. They come here to drink. They come here for weekends. So the consumption culture is already here. The problem is, it's not big enough. And this is where I think we need to completely flip the script. Let's turn Daegu into Korea's Las Vegas with a little bit of Austin, like Texas Austin. And no, I'm not saying, yo, let's build a casino everywhere. No. That's not the point. The point of Las Vegas is that the entire city is designed to give you a reason to come. The entertainment economic sucker. Stay, experience things, and spend money. Hotels, restaurants, shows, shopping, conventions, sports, nightlife, music. One experience ends, another one started. Austin, Texas, give you another piece of a puzzle, music festival, creative culture, young people, tech, food, nightlife, identity. You hear Austin and you immediately give a vibe. That's what Daegu needs. We need to think completely differently. Instead of trying to hide what Daegu already is, double down on it. Double down on it. Food, fine dining, bars, nightlife, hotels, festivals, shopping, music, conference, entertainment. Turn consumption itself into an industry. And here's the slogan. Daegu has spent decades being famous for being hot, literally. Daefrica. 4 degrees in the summer, everybody knows. But maybe it's time to change what hot means. From heat to hype. Let's stop being Korea's hottest city because of the weather and become Korea's hottest city because everyone wants to be here. Not hot because you're sweating your ass off. Hot becomes something is always happening. And the switch. So here's what I actually do. Don't start with some ridiculous 10 trillion won mega project. Start small. Launch 1 or 2 projects. See if people actually show up, prove the concept. If it works, scale it. Get national funding, changing regulations where necessary, and eventually create a surprising entertainment and tourism district, especially from Friday to Sunday, like all the night. The transportation and shopping mall and fine dining, bar, music, culture, all over the night. And look at the geography Daegu already has. Exco, 동대구 Station, 신세계백화점, 범원의 거리, 드랑길, 수성로. And then you've got a 동성로 and 교동 on the other side. That's already a freaking boulevard as hell. You don't even need to invent the city from scratch. Imagine this. You come to Daegu on Friday afternoon, after like days off or work off. KTX, Dongdaegu Station. Boom, you hear Daegu. You got to Exco for a conference and exhibition. After that, you hit 신세계 and do some shopping. And then you head down Dongdaegu로 toward 범원의 거리, dinner around 범원의 거리, 드랑길. Great Korean food, fine dining, steak, sushi, whatever you feeling. Then you keep going down Sungsong Lake, 수성로. Now it's nightlife. Bars, fine dining, music, clubs, hotels, shows, events. You spend money, you sleep. Next morning, 동성로, 교동, good cafe, brunch, shopping, walk around. Maybe there's a festival, exhibition, concert, pop-up, whatever. Then Sunday afternoon, you grab your bag, head back to 동대구역, jump on a KTX, and you're back to in Seoul in about 2 hours. That's the product. Not one festival, one shopping mall, one tourism attraction. The entire weekend is the product. That's what I mean by turning Daegu into the consumption city. And the funny thing is, we are not start from bottom. We are not start from zero. Daegu has already hosted major international events. We had a World Water Forum. We got the Daegu International Marathon. We've got a Chimek Festival. We've got a Indie Music Festival and another culture events. So, the culture are already kinda there. What's missing in direction right now? There's things feel like a separate event. Chimek Festival over here, Marathon over here, like Expo over there, Susong Lake over there, Dongseonglo doing its own thing. Connect them. Give them one economic purpose. Give the city one identity. Come to Daegu, spend the weekend, eat, drink, shop, listen to music, go to the event, like pop-up, stay at a nice hotel like Marriott, have fun, go home, come back next month. That's it. I'm not saying this alone magical fix Daegu economics. Of course not. We still need companies. We still need high-paying jobs. We still need industries that actually produce value. But if manufacturing isn't Daegu's strongest card anymore, maybe we should stop pretending it is. Playing the card we actually have. Daegu already knows how to consume. It already has the food, cafe, all around the nice things. So, pack the whole damn things, sell the experience, bring people in, and make them want to come back. Here's the things. From Daefrica to paradise. From hit to hype. Let's make Daegu hot for the right reasons. Got it? You know what I mean? Bye bye.